How to make breakfast eggs and potatoes on the Nuwave Medley XL Digital Skillet. First, preheat the skillet to 325 degrees. For scrambled eggs, pour the whisked eggs into the skillet. Mix and scramble the eggs until the desired texture is done. For the potatoes, add oil first, and then add the potato mix. Next, add seasoning to the potato mix. Mix and stir the potatoes until the edges are cooked to a golden brown. Plate the breakfast eggs and potatoes and enjoy.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.